Do you suffer with pins and needles in your hands or feet? If you feel a tingling, burning, stabbing or a shooting pain in the feet or the hands, then you may be suffering with a type of nerve damage. The nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord through your nervous system. Sometimes these nerves can become damaged from having high blood sugar, vitamin deficiencies, or living in a state of stress. What usually happens is, when you consume too many refined carbohydrates or sugary foods, your blood sugar levels go up a little too high. Eventually, this toxic sugar in your blood starts to damage the blood vessels connected to your nerves. This prevents oxygen and nutrients from reaching the nerves, so they start to become weakened and damaged. This is called peripheral neuropathy. Another problem is that when you eat refined foods, you deplete your vitamin B1 and B12 levels. Both of these nutrients are needed to build the protective coating around your nerves called myelin. So this outer layer, which is kind of like insulation to wiring, breaks down and the nerves start to short circuit. This leaves you with tingling, sometimes numbness, burning nerve pain and shooting pains, which most commonly affect the toes, the feet, the hands and the fingers. It affects these extremities first because they are furthest away from the heart, therefore are getting less oxygen and nutrients from your blood. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 natural remedies to help reverse nerve damage in order to switch off pins and needles, numbness and nerve pain. Before we dive in, however, please tap the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to help me share this information with more people who need it. Treatment options. Remedy 1. Cut back on carbs. Start removing refined sugars and grains from your diet, like bread, pasta, pastries, cakes, cereals, sweets, biscuits, soda drinks and fruit juices. These refined carbs all turn into blood sugar, which damages your nerves, so the first step is to cut down on these and replace them with whole foods. Remedy 2. Benfotiamine. Start taking a daily supplement of benfotiamine, which is a fat-soluble version of vitamin B1. This penetrates deep into the nerve cells in order to stimulate healing of the nerve tissue. It also helps to build myelin, which is the fatty outer protective layer to your nerves. Remedy 3. Nutritional yeast. Start eating at least 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast every single day. This is loaded with the B vitamin complex, which helps to restore your nerves and get your blood sugars under control. You can mix this in yogurt, soup, stir fries, etc. Remedy 4. Alpha lipoic acid. People with nerve pain, pins and needles and numbness often use alpha lipoic acid to help reverse this condition. Alpha lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative damage to the neurons and the nerve cells from the high sugar in your blood. Remedy 5. Reduce stress. Whenever you feel stressed out or anxious, your body releases a stress hormone called cortisol, which can raise your blood sugars, cause damage to your nerves, and deplete your B vitamins. Take long walks in nature, perform gentle exercise, or practice relaxation to help lower cortisol naturally. Remedy 6. Vitamin B12. Last but by no means least, start eating foods rich in vitamin B12. The best sources are shellfish, including oysters, clams, mussels and shrimp. You can also get lots of this from oily fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna and also red meat. These foods also contain essential omega-3 fatty acids that will reduce inflammation and further help in healing your nerves. Summary. As you can see, feeling these burning, stabbing, tingling, numbness or pins and needles sensation in the feet or the hands is not a normal phenomenon, but is in fact caused by nerve damage, also known as neuropathy. Following a low-carb diet such as keto, eating lots of foods rich in B vitamins, and taking certain supplements shared today can help to reverse nerve damage naturally. I also recommend getting regular exercise for at least 5 to 10 minutes per day. This will increase blood flow to the nerves in your hands and feet so that more oxygen can reach them to stimulate healing. Do you truly have nerve damage? Click on this video to learn more about the 12 common signs and symptoms. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.